If you enjoy my channel, make sure to subscribe and don't forget the notification bell. Hey y'all, so today I brought to you a delicious keto recipe which is high in fats and protein with little to no carbs. I'm sure you'll love it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any of my healthy recipes. Alright, let's get started. When you feel like quitting, think about why you started in the first place. It's not about perfect, it's about effort. And when you bring that effort every single day, that's where transformation happens. Paneer is a great source of protein, especially if you are a vegetarian and cannot eat meat. Paneer also contains potassium, which has been known to play a very important role in fluid balance of your body. The protein-dense paneer can help you feel full for longer, resulting in less cravings. You've always been beautiful. Now, you're just deciding to be healthier, fitter, faster, and stronger. Always remember that. You don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. You already know what giving up feels like. You want to see what happens if you don't. I know. The easy option is to keep waiting until you are ready, but it's going to get to a point where you realize that someday is today, and there is no right time. Ignore the fear of failure and jump when you need to. It's better to fail than to not try at all. You messed up your diet and you didn't exercise today. So what? You didn't ruin anything. Get back on track tomorrow. If you have one flat tire, do you slash the other 3? Of course not. If it doesn't challenge you, it doesn't change you. Alright guys, this is it. Do try this recipe and I'm sure you'll enjoy it. Hit that subscribe button and stay connected. Take care, eat well, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.